Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display section. Now let's tap on advanced and find the sleep option. And as you can see here, we've got some sleep options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the very bottom, the longest option, which is currently applied, it is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Whatever, and as you can see, after tapping, your device will show you the notifications, the information that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.